Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by launching Task Manager immediately. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S for the fastest access. Once open, make sure to click More Details at the bottom so you see all running processes. If you prefer the menu route, right-click the Start button and choose Task Manager. This gives you full visibility into apps, background processes, and performance tabs. With the window expanded, you're ready to identify the specific app or process you need to end without guessing or closing the wrong item. Now focus on locating the task to end. Sort the processes list by CPU, memory, disk, or network to surface the culprit. Once you spot the app, expand its tree to reveal related background processes. If it's ambiguous, switch to the Details tab to check the executable name and PID so you're sure what you'll terminate. Select the exact process line and right-click to expose End Task, Create Dump File, or Open File Location. Pick End Task once you're confident to stop only the intended item. To finish, click End Task and watch the process disappear from the list. Give it a few seconds as some programs take time to unwind. If the app spawns child processes, choose End Process Tree to remove them together and avoid remnants. When a process resists termination, try running Task Manager as administrator or rebooting. If that fails, boot into safe mode and remove or troubleshoot the program safely. One key tip: if a system process won't close, avoid forcing it. Restart instead to prevent instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.